Tree chopping things. To here do
Chopping
things.
trees, slapping
Camping.
rocks.
Friggin' building stuff that's cool and massive.
Ooh, I just sipped a coffee and now I feel like I can run a marathon. Oh, don't worry, I'm coming.
I'm just gonna play some like, oh! Friggin' jumped downstairs. Oh, never
You
mind,
want this?
downstairs.
Here, stay there.
Red.
It's gonna fall down there anyway, probably.
What? Why?
Or never mind, freaking come up here. Here, catch
Where,
this wood.
where is it at? Oh, it's
I
falling.
knew it. It's on the granish.
It's falling all the way down. Now I can build as many wood frames as I need. No!
Don't break your neck.
Why?
Yo, I found a treasure map. Yo. Yo.
Yo.
What?
What the fuck?
Did you fuck up?
What the fuck happened? Yo, come back.
Oh no, I'm coming.
Yo, what the fuck? Help me get rid of this shit. Yo.
No, did it fall down?
In the worst way.
Okay, so it's a no-go on the roof?
No, we can do it. It's just we gotta get the support system going first.
No. No. Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. Here we go.
I was scared that was gonna happen. That's why I was so scared to build.
Our ground is friggin' wood now. We have treasure maps, we could hit them up both. I know where one's at, and our friggin' caveman Sam has the other one.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
We got a heck of freaking items going on.
Could I have someone come with me for the map thing just in case
Shut
I die?
up. Ain't it Ruger? Ain't it looking cute?
It's a fort, not a house. It's a fort.
Yeah, it is a fort. Do you like the nudges on the top? That was a extraterrestrial strength of decoration.
Oh, yeah.
You notice the nudges?
Yeah, I like your piercings too, man. They're pretty hot.
Oh, dude, did I bring my wrench?
You need to get them
I
cars.
didn't. Did someone bring an extra one?
Oh,
Yeah,
boys,
I brought
I need
extra
to
wrenches.
track y'all.
You got an extra one? Hand me it.
Yeah.
Boys, I need to track y'all. Where are we wrenching at?
Car sounds.
We're wrenching cars.
Can I be a specific tire wrencher?
Yeah, let's wrench.
Wrench isn't as good as y'all's wrenches. Y'all got some juicy wrenches. I've just got a dirty 24
Ooh,
wrench.
we're tripping.
Tired.
Oh, I found. No, that's not tire.
Move out the way.
You
Gotta
didn't
go
leave.
there too.
Help!
I said I was gonna
I'm
die
bleeding.
multiple times.
You better when you don't talk.
Dude,
Better
Chase, you
when
have to
you
go to
leave.
my friggin' treasure
Help
map.
me.
What?
Eat something,
me.
or friggin'
Help
bandage
me.
up. Bandage
I'm
up.
trying.
Bandage
I don't
up.
have a bandage.
Here.
I don't
Here.
Actually, I do.
Here. Grab these bandages. Here.
I'm so dead.
Zombie behind you.
I'm dead.
Do you wanna go to my treasure map since we survived?
Yep. Screw 'em. Where are we going?
All right, south.
We'll go to your treasure map. Okay, man, Sam.
All right.
We'll go to that one.
Off on the adventure.
On to the adventure.
You know what we should do?
I like how you're
Guys, get the-
galloping with your bow. Just came out of the closet today.
Yippee! 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 I'm friggin' Mario, bro.
Yeah, I've got a gun. I'm about to get on some fools. Oh, grain alcohol?
Yep, I'm drunk as fuck right now.
My game just fucking broke.
Okay,
For fucking what? For fucking what do I get this new Xbox? It's just gonna fucking lag out 24/5.
I hope you get lost.
Alright, I'm back in. Who needs an invite?
Me.
Dude,
Oh
I've
my
got some
gosh.
juicy shoes and a nice small end.
Case, guess how much shoes, like, my level of shoe is?
How much?
300.
222.
I got 167 shoe in their cowboy boots.
You got level 222 boots.
Yeah, but you got piercings though.
Bucks.
Why are we searching mailbox? Can you just go the right area? Which way are we going? I thought we were going straight.
Uh-oh, I can't search a mailbox. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we're going. Ready? South. We're in the dark, so if we start getting fucked up, just start flailing like we're on that. Powder do.
I don't know.
It makes gunpowder.
You need gunpowder.
You need
for
a lump of
bullets.
coal and nitrate powder. Oh, hell yeah. You can make so much gunpowder. Chase, you want my anal fat?
Do I want it? Yes. You never know what you're getting, you know?
Did you pick it up?
Here, take some shit.
What is this? Take some shit. Garrett, anyways, do you want to make the dopest light of your area?
Building
Wait, where's
arrows.
the cotton at? Didn't I just pick that up? It didn't go into my inventory. Did somebody else pick it up?
Yeah, I fucking did.
Why'd you pick it up?
I don't fucking know. I just felt like I needed it.
I felt like I needed it.
You hurry up, man. Your butt cheeks are hanging out. Can you get
Makes
some
me
pants
uncomfortable
on?
being in the same room with you and you have no pants on. The auger's a cheat code.
Oh, my game crashed.
No!
Fucking Max, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Back up.
I just concentrated. Oh yeah!
Yeah, somebody keeps putting chests and hiding stuff in them. It's freaking me out.
Even Sam does that.
Yeah, he acts like I didn't find his chest.
Dude, he's probably been in our chest because he was in there gandering when I was looking for stuff.
Yeah, we make the chassis inside the forge.
Forge? Hell yeah. What do you need?
And shit.
Dude, what do you need to make the basket? Explain to us
He
and we'll
just-
help.
Did you just take my
We
fucking
need to
goat?
make the basket. Move out of the way,
Did
Leo.
you put my fucking coat back? Put my fucking coat back.
Someone took your... Dude, I told you, Caveman Sam was in those chests. See it.
You weren't even gonna let me drive it? You didn't even tell me.
Come out here.
Outside checking it out. Ooh. She's nice
Case.
and hot.
Okay, satchel on it?
Ugh.
We need a side satchel so we can go on missions, Chase. How do you build a side satchel?
You can't.
I bet you can.
You can't. That's what I was making.
No.
That's what I was gonna make. That's what I needed all those parts for. It was a normal toilet, a bucket of water, short iron pipe, mechanical parts, and wood.
Dude, why can't you?
Oh, you
Because
need
you're
a
just
bike?
gonna run away.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, let me go get the drop.
Bye.
My bad. Oh,
What?
I don't know. I drove right into
Oh
the spikes.
no. Oh no. Oh no. You fucked up. Loot. Don't steal my loot. The bike blew up. That's great. He goes, oh shit.
Into me.
Come here.
Admire the duct tape. Although it looks like a
Ah.
bag.
It's too late. I already left. I took that shit.
Oh boys, it's not a
He
good
goes,
time.
He goes, it's
Oh
too
boys, there's too many zombies
late.
outside.
It's alright, I got you.
Help! Bring your
Oh.
shotgun.
We have a problem. We need more duct tape.
Bring your shotgun. Bring your shotgun. Call me Archer of the Year.
I'm fucking gatting on these bitches.
Are you sure we don't have any more duct tape?
Yes, Chase. Saving me.
You have a shotgun? How'd you get a shotgun?
What? I built this.
Me and
bitch.
Chase have been living in this world. We've been going ham.
You built it?
Garrett told me to take care of this situation, so I'm taking care of it.
Good shit, Chase. I give you so many bullets for this situation.
How'd you build it?
With so
There's
much
fucking-
stuff. Get your knife out.
Alright,
Get
knife
him.
is out. I love my fat. Make
Mm.
sure you put them though. They usually have some good shit going here.
No.
Oh no, there's still more! Come for me, bitches.
It's a screamer woman.
I just
Oh,
fucking
damn.
chomped her head.
That knife is crazy.
There's
This
so
knife
many
is
of them.
Oh, there's one on the
overpowered.
Granish. There's one on the Granish. Garrett. Garrett, help!
I'm doing my job. Damn, we got so much fat over here.
Was it? I brought you some furniture.
We need a lot of duct tape. Like a good,
I brought you
Well-
some furniture.
or no, like more like
I brought you some-
26.
I brought you some furniture. Did you check out your furniture?
Oh, nice. Where'd you get it?
I brought you some furniture. That's some nice furniture if I've seen some furniture.
Chase, guess how much gunpowder I have?
Fuck your furniture.
Damn.
What? Guess how much gunpowder you got?
107 gunpowder.
Alright, 107. Did I get it right?
No, 'cause I have 108 now, but see. I'll build you a side wall.
Right here. Peace out, YouTube!
Yo, yeah.
There you go.
See you next time, brother.